about the bias, pinakita naman namin nung kabila di ba, it started on the day before, parang and yung mga line of events na nangyari sa Senate and yung mga information na nakakarating sa kanya na may mga NBI agents out to enforce, out to arrest somebody. Yung pronouncement niya na he will be arresting somebody. It is already, and yung pagkakasapo doon sa loob, pag-assemble ng mga tao, there was already a bias na may conclusion na. As a commander, I think for me, kailangan, you have to talk first, talk it out muna. Ask questions because, if hindi mo kayang if we cannot talk with yung counterpart natin, in that case si Sir na Matibag or si Sir na Balba, yung security, you can go there and ask the NBI agent properly na, come inside, mag-usap tayo, or can I come down? Mag-usap tayo kung anong purpose mo rito, not to, you ask sino ka, then you ask the law enforcer to lay down his weapon and if he did not, fire 3 shots. You cannot ask a law enforcement officer to surrender his firearm. Never. It will not happen. From the PNP side, kahit sino po po ang tanongin ninyo.